Streets and all the trees are too. I have a girlfriend, she is so blue. Blue are the people here that walk around. Blue like my Corvette, standing outside. Blue are the words I say and what I think. Blue are the feelings that live inside me.